Digital Marketing Crash Course, Email Marketing. Introduction. In the realm of digital marketing, email remains a powerful tool for businesses to connect, engage, and nurture relationships with their audience. Email marketing allows businesses to deliver personalized messages, share valuable content, and drive desired actions, all within the inbox of their target customers. In this crash course on email marketing, we will explore its significance, share captivating stories and examples, delve into the top 12 email marketing techniques, and conclude with an original poem and song that encapsulate the essence of this topic. So, let's dive into the world of email marketing and unlock its potential. Chapter 1. The Power of Email Marketing. Email marketing holds a unique position in the digital marketing landscape. It enables businesses to communicate directly with their audience in a personalized and targeted manner. With email, you have the opportunity to reach your subscribers at the right time, with the right message, fostering brand loyalty and driving conversions. Example story: the success of an e-commerce brand. Imagine a thriving e-commerce brand called Trendy Threads. They meticulously built their email marketing strategy, ensuring that each subscriber received tailored content based on their preferences and purchasing history. By segmenting their audience and crafting personalized emails, Trendy Threads was able to deliver relevant product recommendations, exclusive offers, and engaging content that resonated with each subscriber. As a result, their email open rates increased, click-through rates soared, and their revenue from email campaigns surpassed their expectations. Trendy Threads' success story showcases the power of email marketing when executed with precision and personalization. Chapter 2. Top 12 Email Marketing Techniques. Building a quality email list. Focus on growing an engaged and opt-in email list by using lead magnets, subscription forms, and incentives that resonate with your target audience. Crafting compelling subject lines. Create subject lines that pique curiosity, evoke emotions, or offer a clear benefit, compelling recipients to open your emails. Personalizing email content. Use dynamic tags and merge fields to personalize your emails, addressing subscribers by name and tailoring the content to their preferences. Segmenting your audience. Divide your email list into smaller segments based on demographics, purchase behavior, engagement level, or other relevant criteria to send targeted and relevant messages. Creating engaging email content. Write concise, informative, and visually appealing email content that grabs attention, conveys the value of your message, and encourages action. Designing eye-catching templates. Invest in professionally designed email templates that reflect your brand identity, optimize for mobile devices, and enhance the overall visual experience. Incorporating call to action, CTA. Include clear and compelling CTAs in your emails, guiding subscribers to take the desired action, whether it's making a purchase, signing up for an event, or downloading a resource. A/B testing. Experiment with different elements of your email campaigns, such as subject lines, content placement, visuals, and CTAs, to identify what resonates best with your audience. Automating email sequences. Set up automated email sequences, such as welcome emails, abandoned cart reminders, or post-purchase follow-ups, to nurture leads and drive conversions. Nurturing with drip campaigns. Create drip campaigns to deliver a series of targeted emails over time, guiding subscribers through a customer journey and building a relationship with them. Analyzing and optimizing. Regularly analyze key email metrics, such as open rates, click-through rates, and conversion rates, to identify areas of improvement and optimize your email marketing strategy. Maintaining email deliverability. Follow best practices to ensure your emails reach the recipient's inbox, such as using a reputable email service provider, authenticating your domain, and managing your email list's hygiene. Chapter 3. Summary. In this crash course on email marketing, we explored the power of email as a direct and personalized communication channel. We discussed the significance of building an engaged email list, crafting compelling subject lines, personalizing email content, segmenting the audience, and creating engaging email templates. We also emphasized the importance of incorporating clear CTAs, conducting A/B testing, automating email sequences, and analyzing key metrics to optimize performance. By implementing these techniques, businesses can leverage email marketing to cultivate relationships, drive conversions, and achieve their marketing objectives. Poem. In the land of digital, where emails reside, a marketing magic, a personal tide. Crafting messages, tailored and true, email marketing, a channel to pursue. Subject lines that captivate, attention they seize, personalized content, it aims to please. Segmented lists, targeting precise, engaging subscribers, a marketing device. Templates that dazzle, visually grand, CTAs that guide, with a commanding hand. Drip campaigns nurture, relationships grow, analytics uncover, the path we must toe. Email marketing, a journey we embrace, building connections, at a personalized pace. Unlocking potential, with every send, engaging our audience, on whom we depend. Song. Verse 1. In the realm of digital, where emails fly, we craft our messages, reaching high. Subject lines that intrigue, they capture the gaze, personalized content, setting the stage. Chorus. Email marketing, the key to our success, connecting with hearts, we truly impress. Segmenting our lists, targeting right, engaging subscribers, morning and night. Verse 2. Templates that shine, design with flair, CTAs that inspire action, leading us there. Drip campaigns nurture, a journey unfolds, analytics guide us, the stories they hold. Bridge. Email marketing, a powerful force, driving conversions, staying on course. Building relationships, one email at a time, in the vast digital landscape, will surely shine. Chorus. Email marketing, our strategy's core, crafting connections, forevermore. Unlocking potential, with every send, engaging our audience, our message will transcend. Outro. *****. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?8 equals 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here. ******.